So here's our second day of looking at writing a text-dependent analysis. We have already read the article, and when we read the article, we were annotating things that went to this prompt. So things that were in the text that supported what our answer would be in the prompt. And then these direct quotations, when we were citing evidence from the text, they also support what the prompt is. And so we were taking a look at how do we use phrases like according to the article, at the end of the article, in the article it tells, those phrases that let us know, and then also the punctuation of using quotation marks to set off anything that's from the article. So now looking at the prompt. The author states, also known as the June solstice, it is the day when the North Pole is most inclined towards the sun, allowing residents of the Northern Hemisphere to enjoy the longest day of the year. Write an essay analyzing how people celebrate the longest day of the year. Use evidence from the passage to support your response. So when we are forming our introductory sentence, we should give the title, the author, if it's known, which here it does down here, the name of the author is listed, and then a brief summary. So I'm going to type that out. So I'm going to start off with this introductory sentence that tells me the title, the author, and a brief summary. So I have everything you need to know about the summer or winter solstice and more by Mrs.LopezSchoolVideos tells how and why people celebrate the solstice. So that gives me the title of the article, which I found right here, the name of the author, which I found right here, and then a super brief summary about what it was about. Now I need to make my claim, and a claim is something that can be argued, so I need to have it be some sort of an opinion. The prompt says, write an essay analyzing how people celebrate the longest day of the year. Well, if I'm looking at how people celebrate, and I go back to that other slide, and I take a look at these different ways that people celebrated, I'm going to say there's a ton of different ways that people celebrate because they're going to old ancient sites. They're going and putting flowers in their hair. They're doing dances around maypoles, but then they're also releasing paper lanterns, doing yoga, having bands, and playing a baseball game. Like, some of these things are not related at all. So my claim is going to be that people around the world celebrate the summer solstice in many different ways. And then in my actual essay, I would go ahead and give details about the different ones, but right now I'm just going to say that there's different ways. It's not that everyone does it the same. There are completely, totally different ways. So that is now going to be my thesis. I told you what I was reading, who wrote it, a brief summary, and then I made my claim. I made an argument, and I'm now going to back it up that they celebrate in different ways, not the same.